Welcome back to CarCrafted, the channel where we explore the world's most extraordinary vehicles, and today you're in for something truly next level. Imagine the luxury of a private jet, the comfort of a 5-star hotel suite, and the presence of an ultra-premium flagship sedan, all combined into one rolling masterpiece. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. From the very first glance, this motorhome doesn't look like a typical RV. It carries the unmistakable Maybach design language, with a bold chrome-finished front grille, elegant LED lighting signatures, and a sleek, aerodynamic body that feels more like a luxury limousine than a recreational vehicle. The paintwork features a signature two-tone finish that instantly signals exclusivity, while polished accents and massive premium wheels give it a commanding yet refined presence. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more breathtaking. The interior is designed to feel like a private luxury lounge. Soft, handcrafted leather covers nearly every surface, paired with real wood trims, brushed aluminum details, and ambient lighting that can be customized to match your mood. The seating area features fully reclining executive chairs with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions, turning every journey into a first-class travel experience. At the center of the living space is a massive smart entertainment system. A hidden ultra-wide display rises from the cabinet, paired with a premium surround sound system that transforms the cabin into a mobile theater. Voice controls allow passengers to adjust lighting, climate, window shades, and media without lifting a finger. Everything is designed for effortless comfort and convenience. The sleeping quarters redefine what it means to travel in luxury. Instead of a typical RV bed setup, you get a true king-size sleeping suite with memory foam bedding, soft and direct lighting, and sound insulation that creates a peaceful, quiet environment no matter where you park. There's also a compact but incredibly elegant bathroom featuring a rainfall shower, marble-style finishes, and smart water management systems. Under the hood, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain combining a powerful turbocharged engine with electric assistance. This not only delivers smooth, silent cruising but also improves efficiency for long-distance travel. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering technology, night vision support, and semi-autonomous highway driving capabilities. What truly sets this motorhome apart is its focus on exclusivity and personalization. Buyers can choose from countless interior themes, custom materials, and even bespoke features tailored to their lifestyle. Whether it's designed for business travel, luxury road trips, or VIP transport, each unit can be uniquely configured. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a statement of ultimate comfort, innovation, and status on wheels. It blurs the line between luxury vehicle and luxury living space, offering a glimpse into the future of high-end travel. If you enjoyed this look at one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever imagined, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to CarCrafted for more incredible automotive content.